Okay, this section is kind of almost, I say it's a misnomer. They talk about special products here, and they almost make it sound like this is something, really new that you have to learn how to do, and you have to memorize all of these patterns and things like that. And that just really is not the case entirely. Whenever we see a problem that looks like this, then the things that we've done in the past was to say, well, we have to distribute this. This is absolutely no different. We need to distribute this x throughout the next set of parentheses. So that would be x times x is x squared, and x times a positive 1 is plus x. And now we can go about distributing our 5 also. So 5 times x would be a positive 5x, and 5 times positive 1 would be plus 5. Now we can collect our like terms. So we have x squared plus 6x, because these two will combine, plus 5. This is our final answer. Now, we could have done that using, some special pattern or something, but to me, I would really rather that students learn how to distribute and how to multiply, and just let the answer be what the answer is. After you've done enough of these problems, you can start to see maybe some, patterns as we go along. But I really think that for right now, the best thing to do is just to learn to multiply. So let's look at this next one. Here again, we're going to distributing the x. We have x times 2x is 2x squared, and x times negative y is minus xy. Now let's multiply the 5y throughout the parentheses. So 5y times 2x is plus 10xy, and 5y times a negative y is minus 5y squared. Now we can collect our like terms. So we have 2x squared plus 9xy minus 5y squared. And this then would be our final answer. Now for the next problem, you see that they say we have squared, something squared. Well, let's think about what squared means. If we were to see 3 squared, wouldn't that mean 3 times 3? Or if we had x squared, that would mean x times x. So to square something, the true meaning of it is to multiply it to itself. So let's take that meaning and apply it to this binomial. This literally means 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. Now this looks identical to what we just did. We're going to distribute. 2x times 2x is 4x squared, and 2x times a negative 1 is minus 2x. Now we are going to multiply our negative 1. Negative 1 times 2x is minus 2x, and negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Now we can combine our like terms. So we have 4x squared minus 4x when we combine these two, plus 1. There's our final answer. Right now for this very last one here, there is a pattern going on, or I say the last one on this page. There is a pattern going on, but it's actually better, again, just to go ahead and do that distribution. So b times b is b squared, and b times negative 3 is minus 3b. Now let's distribute our 3. 3 times b is a positive 3b, and 3 times negative 3 is a negative 9. Now let's collect our like terms. So we have b squared. Here we have a minus 3b and a plus 3b. Those cancel each other out. And minus 9. So this is how it multiplies together. It's its final answer.